And perhaps some of those ideas will feed into your discussions later on in your group work. I joined HelpAge in 1997, and I was inducted to HelpAge at the 1997 regional conference held in Perth, Australia. And as I was inducted by the then CEO, but after a few minutes I got this barrage coming on me from people, from some of my friends who later became very close friends, telling about ACOA. One of them is here, Dr. Boyka. And then there was the other, I still distinctly remember. One probably, I think, NASCOM. And the other was Fiji's Hassan Khan. I mean, that was a clear, genuine expression. And I liked it very much. I embraced those ideas because they wanted more engagement. As ACOA had to be restructured to take that ACOA's role in the future.